joining me today. I'm so excited to show you your new system. Now, let me tell you what makes this so unique. We have 14 different services, and these are all connected via drag and drop automation flows. I'm talking about services like the website builder and funnel builder, to your calendar scheduling service, so you can book appointments and schedule meetings with people without the email back and forth, all the way down to your phone service. So you get incoming phone calls, you can forward them to your cell phone, or even trigger missed call text back notifications. But there's much more you can do in here, such as building your payment forms to sell products and services, to surveys, and more. Let me go ahead and dive in and share my screen, and we'll get started. So this is your new system. This is what you see as soon as you log in. And the first thing we're going to do in here is I'm going to click on Contacts, and I'm going to create a new form. So I click on the Forms tab. Now I can click Create Form, and here I can start dragging and dropping different things onto my form. I'm just going to drag in first name, email, and phone. I'm going to save this, and let's call this the new lead form. So I can go ahead and save it. Now my new form is live. I can click on the view link right here to see what it looks like in my browser, and I can go ahead and fill this out and enter in some customer data. So I'm going to say this is from Joe at test.com, and I'm going to key in a phone number. When I click submit, a contact is automatically created in the system. I'm going to go back into contacts, and we can see what that looks like. There's my new contact, Joe. You can see that he has the email and phone number set right here. Now I can do click to call, click to SMS, and even click to email. On the right-hand side, you have all the orders and other information. And in the middle, you have all the activity related to that contact. Now it's really cool. I can come in and click on the Forms tab, and I can see the form that this user filled out. Now let's go ahead and hook up this form to an automation. I'm going to dive back into the Forms tab, and I see this button that says Triggers Flow. I'm just going to click on that, so this form triggers an automation flow. I'm going to click on Create New, and this launches our flow builder. So the first thing I want to do in my flow is I want to tag my contact or lead so I can stay organized. This helps me segment and target these users later. I'm going to tag this person as a hot lead. That's it. I got my first step. Now I just start dragging the lines to connect them. Now next, maybe I want to put this person in a pipeline. So I'm going to do the Create Pipeline Item step. This is going to add an opportunity in my sales pipeline, and let's give this a name. I'm going to say new lead. Now I'm going to dynamically insert the contact's name. Watch this, new lead, first name. So I can save this, start connecting the steps, and I'm good to go. Now we got our first flow. Let's go ahead and save it and see how it works. Now I'm going to go back into the contacts. I'm going to go into the forms. Now I see my form is hooked up to that flow, so let's go test it out. I'm going to refresh my form again. I'm going to fill it out, and let's see what happens. Perfect. It says I submitted my information, so now I can go back into the contacts, and let's look at that contact. Here we see I got that lead Joe, and he has the hot lead tag. That's exactly what I wanted to happen. And in fact, look at this new activity in the middle. You can see my new flow ran, and here's all the steps that ran. First, it added the tag, then it created an item in the pipeline, and then it deactivated from that flow. And if you notice on the right, I can see I have one item in the pipeline over here. Now let's go see what that looks like in the pipeline section. So I click on pipelines, and here's my sales pipeline. And look, I have a lead at the bottom that says new lead Joe. And I even have a button to click to email, click to call, and click to SMS. That's how easy it is to start flowing in here inside your new system. Everything's all connected, it's all drag and drop, and you can do it all quickly in the Flow Builder. Let us know if you have any questions getting online. We have support here 7 days a week to help you out. Thank you. Have a great day.